Ask any heavy industry manufacturer about the top challenges they face, and more than likely they'll say, reduce energy consumption, minimize downtime, and optimize productivity. And they need to resolve these challenges while still increasing profitability and protecting their investment. As a worldwide leader in variable frequency drives, Rockwell Automation can help resolve these challenges with the latest Allen-Bradley PowerFlex technology. Built with our patented TotalFORCE technology, PowerFlex 755T drives deliver superior electric motor control through precise adaptive control of velocity, torque, and position. PowerFlex 755T drives respond to production demands by comparing current performance to application settings and making any necessary adjustments automatically. They also communicate their performance data through the control system to operations in real time and continuously monitor their own health. The PowerFlex 755T drives continuously monitor their own operation and internal components because during operation, load observer and adaptive tuning monitor the variables that can change over time and will automatically make adjustments to compensate for the mechanical changes as they occur, keeping the system performing as efficiently as possible. PowerFlex 755T drives also notify operators immediately about issues that might compromise drive or motor health. This kind of self-awareness helps to significantly reduce unplanned downtime. Out of the box, Allen-Bradley PowerFlex 755T drives with TotalFORCE technology are designed to help you get the most out of your equipment. They also help to optimize your applications, minimize downtime, and keep your operations running smoothly. Allen-Bradley PowerFlex drives with TotalFORCE technology, the smart choice for smart manufacturing environments. Visit our website to learn more.